This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Ideasure. This is a set of blades for, they market it as an Ariens 42-inch lawn tractor, but they are the Ariens style that fits your AYP Husqvarna mowers. So Husqvarna, Craftsman, the Ariens that are sold at Home Depot, and things like that that are made by Husqvarna. So that's these. They're 42-inch blades. They're kind of more of a mulching type with the way that the blade is contoured here. Construction, I'll let you look at them really closely, or closer here. Overall is pretty good. Got the 5-star rounded pattern, so make sure that your mower has that. And a couple little areas up here, up top, to help kind of holes to kind of help distribute the airflow and stuff like that. Construction of these seems pretty good. They're nice and thick from what I can tell. So I'm going to get these, get this mower up here, and we're going to put them on, and we'll do that next. Okay, so we're going to put these blades on now. Pretty easy to do. Just make sure you have something to lift your mower up and do so safely. So all you got to do is get under here with a 5/8 and an impact, and take one off, and then come and take the other off. And one thing you do want to look at is whenever you put the new blades on, because you can't really tell with the old blades sometimes, because you never know when there might be a slight bend in them. But with the new blades, what you can tell is, number one, your spindles, make sure that the rounded 5-star point is still good on them. They're sometimes known to fall off or fall apart or something. So you just screw the new one in a little bit, and you tighten it up, and you're good to go. So you're going to do the other side here. We're going to do the same thing with that bolt right there. Just hand tighten it a little bit first, and then come and tighten it like that. So there you go, guys, and make sure that your the points where these guys join up right here is fairly even as well. Sometimes there may be a little bit off, but as long as they're not insanely off, then you're going to be okay. But yeah, that's how you put these things on for these blades, and should work really well for you. So we'll go ahead and finish this video up here next. Alright guys, so again, that's everything on these Ideasure blades. They fit just fine on this mower and should do a good job cutting. Still not cutting season here where I am, growing season, so can't really show you how they cut, unfortunately, but I'm sure they'll cut pretty well. It's kind of like a little combo blade with a little bit of lift here, but also kind of the mulching front. So it should give you kind of a good, I guess, 3-in-1 blade mulch lift bag type blade here. But thanks again for watching this product review. I do hope that y'all found this video helpful and informative, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.